First model, basic ratio simplification. Here is an example. The ratio of 240 to 320 is, just write it here, 240 by 320 and cancel it. You can get 24 in 8 table. So 8 3 is 24 and 8 4 is 32. Second model is ratio and proportional. Find the missing term in the proportion. So 4 is to 5 is equals to 20 is to x. Then we are writing here 4 by 5 is to 20 by x. So cross multiply both of these. 4x is equals to 100 and x is equals to 100 by 4, 25. Fourth model is ratio increase or decrease. So he's giving question like this. The ratio of incomes of A and B is 4 is to 5. As income increased by 200, B is by rupees 100. New ratio is 9 is to 10. Find the income. First of all, we think the first income of this. It is 4x for A and 5x for B. Now A's income is increased by rupees 200. So let us think A's income is 4x plus 200 in second case by. Now B's income is increased by rupees 100. So 5x plus 100 is equals to, the new ratio becomes 9 is to 10. Just do cross multiplication for this both. 10 4s are 40x plus 2000 is equals to 5 9s are 45x plus 900. So that gives, let us take this term this side, 5x is equals to, let us take this term this side, 1100. So x is equals to 1100 by 5. So 5 2s are 10 and 1 remainder, 5 2s are 10 is equals to 220. Model 5 is ratio of ages. He'll give the present age ratio and he'll ask the ratios of the ages and find the ages after few years. So now we are going to read the question. The ratio of A and B's age is 5 is to 7. So let us think it is 5x comma 7x. After 6 years ratio becomes 3 is to 4. So now we can do like this. 5x plus 6 by 7x plus 6 is equals to 3 by 4, because after 6 years he is asking us. So I am adding 5x plus 6 by 7x plus 6 because these are the ages of A and B. So now cross multiplication of these both. 5 4s are 20, 20x plus 24 is equals to 21x plus 8, x is equals to 6. Sixth model is ratio in mixtures. So he'll ask where quantities are mixed in given ratio. So now we are having an example question here. A mixture has milk and water in ratio 5 is to 3. If 4 liters of water are added to 24 liters of mixture, find the new ratio. So first split the question. So we are writing here case 1. So it is 5 is to 3 ratio at first, milk and water. So there are 8 parts total. 5x plus 3x is equals to 8x. So resulting, be careful at this line. 4 liters of water are added to 24 liters of mixture. So at first the mixture is 24 liters, each resulting 3. Now 5x is equals to 15, 3x is equals to 3 into 3, 9. So if 4 liters of water are added to 24 liters of mixture, find the new ratio. So he is adding 4 liters of water here. So 9 plus 4. In second case, the milk remains 15 only, but the quantity of water is 9 plus 4. that is equals to 13. So now we are doing the ratio in second case. Milk is to water is equals to 15 is to 13. Seventh model is partnership profit sharing. Here, in such cases, profit is shared in the ratio of product of investment into time. So now for A, we are doing the profit. A is equals to 6,000 into 10, that is equals to 60,000, and B's share is equals to 9,000 into 8. 9 is 72,000. Here 60,000, here 72,000. So now we want to make ratios for this. A is to B profits, that is equals to 60,000 is to 72,000. It results maybe 12 table, 12 5 12 6. Model is ratio in speed, time and distance. If ratio is speeds is given, time or distance changes proportionally. So here he is asking if ratio of A and B is 3:4, ratio of times to cover same distance is. Here speed is inversely proportional to time. So the ratio interchanges as 4:3. Ninth model is compound ratio, combine two ratios into one. So here he given us A is to B is equals to 2:3, B is to C equals to 4:5. Then he is asking us to find A is to C. For that we want B values to be same. So here B is 3, here B is 4. So we have to multiply this whole ratio with the value of B ratio. So now we are multiplying this with 4, and the same thing here, B's ratio is 3 with this. So we get 8 is to 12. Here we get 4 into 3, 12 is to 5 into 3, 15. So now B values are same. So we can compare now. A is to C is equals to 8 is to 15. And model 10 is ratio in salary, expense or savings. Income and expenditure ratios are given. Find savings ratio. Here he have an example. A's income and expenditure ratio is 5:3. B's is 4:3. Both save rupees 600. Find their incomes. So now we are having income part and expenditure part for A. So income comma expenditure is equals to 5 comma 3 parts. Now we want savings part. Actually they have not given us savings part, so we have a formula here. Income minus expenditure is equals to savings, that is equals to 5 minus 3 is equals to 2. We have savings part for A also. So next, here two parts contribute 600 rupees because both save 600 rupees. So one part of A is equals to 600 by 2, that is equals to 300. And next for B, savings is equals to income minus expenditure. 4 minus 3 is equals to one part. One part B's in is equals to 600 because its savings is 600. And next we want income for A and B. A's income is equals to 5 parts, so 5 into 300, that is equals to 1500. Next B's income, we have 4 parts for B's income. 4 into 600, that is equals to 2400. And next we want ratios between A's to B incomes. that is equals to 1500 is to 2400. Zeros cancel. Probably 3 table. 3 5s, 3 8s. Please like